Are you tired of spending time and money trying to get traffic and leads that end up not buying anything and making you no money? Well, guess what? You're not alone. There's been a huge shift in traffic over the last few years, and you need to be up to date. The old methods for getting traffic just don't work like they used to, and it's time for you to put an end to old, complicated, and expensive methods for getting traffic. The good news is we're going to show you something today that's getting us all the profitable traffic we need, getting us 100 of buyer-only clicks every single day without even spending $10 for it and without any hard work. We're able to do this by quietly exploiting a hidden loophole that YouTube doesn't want you to know about. It's called the buyer-only section of YouTube ads, where all of your ad budget is spent only on traffic that acts. Now you're probably thinking that you need to have experience running YouTube ads to get results like this, but you don't when you have this powerful app and you're doing it the way we're doing it. You don't need any prior YouTube ads experience. You can start with a tiny budget of as little as $10, and today you have the opportunity to get your hands on the exact app we're using to get these results. Introducing TubeTargeter. TubeTargeter is a newbie-friendly cloud-based app that gets you traffic, leads, and sales right out of the gates. TubeTargeter makes it easier than ever to get traffic by exploiting YouTube's buyer-only traffic section for high-converting traffic. And that means you can turn an investment of $10 or less into 3 figures in profit, and you can rinse and repeat and do this as often as you want. You'll have an unfair advantage on any promotion because you'll be able to spy on any product in any niche. You'll also be able to find the best converting landing pages, campaigns, and ads in any niche. And to make this even easier, you'll never have to worry about showing your face on camera or creating videos, because you'll be able to use other people's proven to convert videos in your ads. And since our goal is to give you everything you need to get results right away, we're including 10 done-for-you video ad campaigns for hot affiliate offers with guaranteed approval to promote. This is great if you don't currently have something to promote, or you're just looking for another plug-and-play income stream without any hard work needed, and we get you this now. You also get a complimentary upgrade to the TubeTargeter commercial license for another way to profit with TubeTargeter Plus. We're including a real-life case study and step-by-step training to make it easy to get going right away. Get traffic and sales with TubeTargeter in 3 easy steps. This is the easiest way to get in front of your perfect audience for pennies. There are just 3 simple steps to more traffic, leads, and sales with TubeTargeter. Step number 1, log into TubeTargeter to instantly exploit YouTube's hidden buyer-only traffic section for high-converting traffic without creating videos of your own. Step number 2, use our done-for-you video ads to get your first campaign up and running in seconds. Step number 3, we'll show you how we take a small investment of $10 and turn it into this. And you can rinse and repeat as often as you want. TubeTargeter makes it easier than ever to get profitable traffic flowing fast. Of course, the best part about the TubeTargeter is the price. Although we could easily charge $97 a month for TubeTargeter, we're giving you the limited opportunity to get in on this for a low one-time payment. This deal won't last, so check the link in my description now to lock in your discount before the price goes up.